Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Dollar Tree haul to share with you guys. And before I forget, they did up the price at my Dollar Tree to $1.25. Anyways, let's get started. I kept getting questions about that, so I just wanted to let everyone know. Yes, now it is $1.25. I picked up one of these 175 count tissues. I picked up 4 of the bath tissues, 1 of the paper towels, 140 count, a 30 count paper plates. I did get some Reynolds Wrap foil sheets because apparently they no longer carry the Dollar Tree one, not listed in my store. And I picked up some Good Sense handle bags. I love these ones. And some Sure Fresh storage sandwich zipper bags. Scrub Buddies nail guard sponges. It's almost out of those. Picked up another one of these Suavital Complete. And this is like a fabric softener with stain removing properties as well. And it smells amazing. I love this. Now, because my Dollar Tree also up to $1.25, some items I am going to start buying at Walmart. And some of the Dollar Tree stuff has went smaller in size even, and they raised the price, like the laundry detergent and stuff. So I think from now on I'm just going to start buying, unless I'm in a pinch and can't get what I want at Walmart. I'm going to then buy it from the Dollar Tree if they have it. But for now I'm using the Walmart pods and stuff like that for laundry detergent. So today this is the only laundry item I bought from Dollar Tree, which is not typical. And I only picked up one of the handle bags because for $1.25 you get 10, and at Walmart 27 cents cheaper you get 10 as well. So it just makes sense. And I picked up a Ajax Ultra because I didn't have my Palmolive at the Dollar Tree. And this has bleach alternative in it and 16 fluid ounce. Nice scent. And I also picked up Oscar a beef and cheese flavor filled bone. Some more house items. I picked up a 3-pack of lighters. Finally had these candle lighters back in stock, so I grabbed one of those. And I have 3 packages of batteries, 2 AA's and 1 AAA, just to stock my battery pile back up. And also in the health and beauty aisle, I didn't find a ton of fun finds, so my favorite finds will definitely be at the end, like always, and they are all items for Connor. All day allergy relief. I'm sure some of you can relate. I also got this 3-package, 2 Tylenol per pack, 6 total for the car console, and one of these just to put back in my preps, the daytime cold and flu relief. And today I found a 60-second digital thermometer. I got myself some cotton balls for nail polish removal. And I did pick up some bath bombs. And these are the Galactic Vanilla Berry. These smell amazing. And then this is the only bubble bath. They had this in a lavender, and honestly I really cannot stand lavender scents. It's too loud. I really love loud scents, but lavender is just even too much for me. So I got the Japanese Cherry Blossom bubble bath. I wish that they still had the kid-friendly one that has the little elephant and the watermelon scent, but I haven't been able to find that thing in months. Walmart didn't have bubble bath today either, so this is the only one I could get. And I only found one kind of beauty thing today. They didn't have any new makeups or anything like that, but I did find this Pond's Light Moisturizer. And we'll see. I was intrigued because it said light moisturizer, so we'll see. And last but not least, a few more finds, and these are the favorite finds. These are the Connor finds. Bought him an orange one in the past of these little sippy cups. These are Sip-A-Mug, and the kids love these. I actually bought 2 blue today and 1 pink, but I left the blue, one of the blue ones and one of the pink ones with my nanny for Aiden and Allie. So yeah, these are BPA free. Sip-A-Mug with a blue lid. I did find these like bendy toys things today. I just got him a blue one that I'm a bunch of different colors. I also picked him up this double bubble egg shaped bubble gum. I think he'll really get a kick out of that. And grabbed 2 of these badminton rackets, and I got a blue one and a red one. And they also sell the little birdies with them as well, and there is 6 in here for $1, so I picked that up. Also picked up this foam football, and they have these in like green and orange. Thought you would like the green one. And then this is actually my most favorite find today, and if I'd only found 1 of these, but if I would have found more, I probably would have grabbed them. But this is a toy collector case, and you can put cars in there. You don't really need to put cars, but I definitely know that he's going to want to put his Lego men in here. So it has 6 spots, but you could definitely fit more than 6 Lego men in here anyways, unless you just wanted to display them like this. I thought that was a really fun find. And that is all I found at the Dollar Tree today. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more Dollar Tree videos. If you're interested in sending reviews on any of these items, definitely leave me a comment below. Check the description box as well as the cards for additional Dollar Tree links and playlists. And thank you guys so very much for watching.